Hello, my name is Rahma Alya from High School 1 Bunguran Timur. So today I will visit one of the tourist attractions in Natuna, namely Mount Shark Tour. The distance from Ranai to the tour is only but 35 minutes. So let's go to visit.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me, I can't get enough. We got the future, burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know if you fall, I won't be there. Let's light up like the moon. Yeah, we take it off, make it even brighter. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. Tell me what you gonna do. Know that I want you. You know that I need. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. When you put me in the mood. Hey, that's what I like. That's what I like about you. 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 That's what I like about you.
The waterfall in this flat floor directly from granite rock and trees which will create beautiful atmosphere that will amaze anyone who sees it. Enjoying the beauty of a waterfall with accompanied by cool air is one of the comforts that attracts this tour attraction. Some of the rock also send the signal to help create a harmony. The swimming pool also adds to the beauty of the tour spot because it can steal the attention of visitors who accidentally pass by in front of it. There are several fish ponds and various types of fish such as tilapia of golden fish with varying size, so it is interesting to see. You can even directly set the fish that are food. The facilities in the area around this tour attraction are also secondary. There are two swimming pools that are never empty of visitors, toilet, musola, canteen, gazebo. Not only that, various kinds of outbound facilities are also available. Tank farm, flying farm, camping ground, headquarters, boat driving. So what? Are you sure you don't want to visit Shark Tour? I'm Rahma. Thank you and see you.